Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 11th standard physics lesson number 5 gravitation numericals. In the first part of the video I have solved question number 1 to 6. Those who have not seen that video, the link is given in the description box. Let us solve the next question. Calculate the speed of satellite in an orbit at a height of 1000 km from the Earth's surface. We want to find out the speed of the satellite. Given that height is 1000 km. Okay, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So we can write this as 10 raised to 6 meter. Okay, mass of the Earth is given 5.98 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Radius is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Okay, we know that universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Okay, here we want to find out the speed of the satellite, that is VC. We know that the formula for speed of the satellite is VC is equal to under root gm upon r. Here the satellite is at a height h from the surface of the earth, so the formula will become under root gm upon r plus h. Okay, on substituting the values, we will get the solution of this question. That is, VC is equal to under root G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into mass is 5 mass of the earth 5.98 into 10 raised to 24 upon r plus h. R is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 plus h is 10 raised to 6. Okay, so 10 raised to 6, here we can write 1 into 10 raised to 6, coefficient is 1. Okay, so VC is equal to under root 6.67 into 5.98 into 10 raised to 24 minus 11. We will get 13. 10 raised to 13 upon 6.4 plus 1, 7.4. 7.4 into 10 raised to 6. Now we'll take 10 raised to 6 to the numerator. It will become minus 6. So we will get VC is equal to under root 6.67 into 5.98 is 39.8866 upon 7.4 into 10 raised to 13 minus 6 is 10 raised to 7. Okay, 39.886 divided by 7.4 is, we will get, on dividing this, we will get 5.39008. Okay, into 10 raised to 7. So if in the power of 10 even number is coming, it is easy to take the root. This you can solve using logarithm table also. That will be very easy. On taking root of 5.938, so first we will adjust and write this as 53.901. On approximating we will get 1 into 10 raised to 6. Root of 53.901 is 7.34 into 10 raised to 6, root is 10 raised to 3 meter per second. So this is the speed of the satellite orbiting at a height 1000 km from the surface of the earth. How to take logarithm and anti-logarithm? for solving the numericals. That video link is given in the description box. Please watch that video. Okay, let us solve the next question. Question number 8. Calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars if the radius of Mars is 3.4 into 10 raised to 3 kilometer and mass is 6.4 into 10 raised to 23 kilograms. So here we want to find out acceleration due to gravity on Mars. Mass is given m is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to 23 kilogram. A radius is given 3.4 into 10 raised to 3 kilometer. So this we can write as 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Okay. Now we want to find out acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Mars. Okay. We know that the formula for acceleration due to gravity is, so first we will write to find G on Mars. Okay. Formula for acceleration due to gravity is G is equal to Gm upon R square. Okay. Solution. G is equal to universal gravitational constant value we know 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into mass is 6.4 into 10 raised to 23 divided by R square, that is 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 the whole square. On solving this, we will get 6.67 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 23 minus 11 is 10 raised to 12 upon 3.4 square into 10 raised to 6 the whole square is 10 raised to 12. So 10 raised to 12 and 12 will get cancelled. Okay, on solving this, 6.67 into 6.3 upon 3.4 the whole square. On solving this, we will get 3.693 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity on Mars. I hope you all understood this one. Let us solve the next question. Next question is, a planet has mass 6.4 into 10 raised to 24 kg and radius is 3.4 and 10 raised to 6 meters. So it is given the mass of the planet. Mass of the planet is 6.4 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. And a radius is given. Radius of the planet is 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Calculate the energy required to remove an object of mass 800 kilogram from the surface of the planet to infinity. So mass of the object is given 800 kg. We want to find out the energy required to remove the object from the surface of the planet to infinity. The energy required to remove will be equal to binding energy. We know that the formula for binding energy is equal to Gmm upon R. Okay. On substituting the values, we will get Be is equal to G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into M is 6.4 into 10 raised to 24 into mass of the object is 800 upon R is 3.4 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, that is equal to 6.67 into 6.4 into 800. We can write 8 into 100. So 8 into 100 we can write 10 square. Okay, into 10 raised to minus 11 into 10 raised to 24 upon 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 will come. So here on solving the power of 10, 24 plus 2. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 minus 11 and minus 6. 10 raised to 6 on taking to numerator, it will become 10 raised to minus 6. After solving the power of 10, we will get 10 raised to 9. Okay, that is equal to 6.67 into 6.4 into 8 upon 3.4 into 10 raised to 9 will come. Okay, this is what binding energy. Okay, now we have to divide this. That is, on dividing 6.67 into 6.4 into 8 upon 3.4, we will get BE is equal to 100.44 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, this we can write as 1.004 into 10 raised to 11 energy. Energy unit is joule. So this is the energy required to remove an object of mass 800 from the surface of the planet. I hope the sum is clear to you. Let us solve the next question. Calculate the value of universal gravitational constant from the given data. Mass of the earth is given. Mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. Radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. We want to find out universal gravitational constant, that is g. We know that the formula for gravitational force is here g is given. So we can use g formula and we can find out capital G or universal gravitational constants. G is equal to gm upon r square. Okay, we want to find out capital G. Therefore, capital G is equal to g r square upon m will come. On substituting the given values, we will get the solution. That is G is equal to, small g is 9.8 into r is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 the whole square divided by mass. Mass is 6 into 10 raised to 24. That is equal to 9.8 into 6.4 into 6.4. That is equal to 40.96 into 10 raised to 6 the whole square is 6 2s are 12 upon 6 into 10 raised to 24. Okay. 24 when we are taking to numerator, 12 minus 24 is minus 12 will come. Okay. On solving this, we will get G is equal to 66.90 into 10 raised to minus 12 will come. This we can adjust and write as 6.69 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is the value of gravitational constant. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Let us solve the next question. A body weight 5.6 kilogram weight on the surface of the earth. Okay. How much will be its weight on the planet whose mass is 7 times mass of the earth? Okay, we want to find out the weight of a body on planet. Okay, so it is given weight of the object on the surface of the earth. W is given 5.6 kilogram. Okay, Mass of the planet is given. Mass of the planet is 7 times mass of the earth. That is 7m. Mass of the earth is m. Or from this we can write mp upon m is equal to 7. Okay. Now, and radius is twice the earth radius. So radius of the planet is twice the radius of earth. That is rp upon re is 2. Okay. We want to find out weight of the planet. Okay. To find weight of the planet. Okay. We know that the formula for gravitational force is F is equal to gmm upon r square. Okay. The gravitational force acting on a body is nothing. It is the weight experienced by the body. So we can write W is equal to gmm upon r square. And for planet, we can write Wp is equal to gmp into m upon rp square, because mass will not change. Mass will be the same everywhere. Okay, mass of the object. Now, on dividing weight of the object and the planet upon weight on earth is equal to, we will get gmp into m upon r square p. Instead of dividing, take the reciprocal and multiply, so it will become r square upon gmm. Okay, so small m cancelled, g also cancelled. We got mp upon m into r upon rp the whole square. Okay. Now, Wp upon W value we know is 5.6 is equal to mp upon m is 7. 7 into r upon rp. Rp upon re is 2. So r upon rp is 1 upon 2 will come. 1 upon 2 the whole square. Okay. 1 upon 2 the whole square is 1 upon 4 will come, or on cross multiply we will get Wp, weight of the object on the planet, is equal to Wp is equal to 5.6 into 7 into 1 upon 4 will come. Okay. This 4 and 5.6 we can cancel. 4 ones are 4. 1.4 will come. 1.4 into 7 is equal to, we will get 9.8 kilogram. So this is the weight on the planet. I hope it is clear to you. Let us solve the next question. That is, what is the gravitational potential due to the earth at a point which is at a height of 2 re, means 2 times radius of earth, above the surface of the earth? Mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer, and capital G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So first we will write what is given. Mass of the earth is given. M is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. A radius of the earth is given 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Okay, and what is given? At a height of 2 times radius of the earth. So height is equal to 2 times radius of earth. We want to find out gravitational potential energy. So to find gravitational potential, we want to find out. Okay, we know that the formula for gravitational potential is V is equal to minus gm upon r. Okay, here r is equal to r plus h will come. So we'll write R plus H. Solution, that is V is equal to minus G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into mass is 6 into 10 raised to 24 upon R plus H. R is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 plus H is 2 times radius of the earth. Okay, that is 2 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. Okay. On solving this, we will get, okay, 6.4 is 4 into 10 raised to 6. Here also 2 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. When we are taking 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 common, we will get a 2 plus 1, 3 will come. So denominator we can write 3 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. Okay. So here we will write V is equal to minus 6.67 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 minus 11 is 13 upon 3 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. Okay. 10 raised to 13 minus 6 is 10 raised to 7 will come. Okay. On solving this, we will get V is equal to this 3 and 6 cancel 2. Now 6.67 into 2 upon 6.4, that is equal to minus 2.08 into 10 raised to 7 will come. Okay. And unit is joule per kilogram. This is the value of gravitational potential. Okay. Negative sign indicate that attractive nature of gravitational potential. So these are the sums of gravitation lesson. If you like the video, please do comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends and classmates.